Hello friend, hope the creator has kept you good. You might already know that nowadays creating a prolific account comes with several problems. One of the most common issues is that accounts are often placed on a waiting list. Even if an account gets successfully created, many are unable to receive an invitation. But don't worry, you can easily purchase a fully verified prolific account from me, along with the invitation method. So don't delay. Get your account now and start earning from Prolific. Check the description box to get my contact source. Thank you for watching the video.